So I heard that you're looking for something light yet touching book to read after your long hectic day. Well, I kind of have a suggestion for you. You read Sam by Dustin Towers, a perfect getaway book. This book is simple yet sentimental. This revolves around school, so obviously it's about unwanted jealousy and dramas. And this reminds you of your old school days where you did all those clinky and cheesy things. And as per my experience from this book, this is not a romance book. Rather, it's a book about letting go someone who holds a very big place in your heart. So this was very popular last year, and this is not a very well written 5.5 kind of book either, but I still recommend it. And for more book related content, check out the main channel. And that's 1 minute for today. So see you again in the next video. Till then, keep reading, keep exploring, and stay fabulous.